Ah! Well, here we go again. Get up. A little something for your ear hole. Get up. Bearing a part of my soul again. Get up. Disturbed in the house, we're dropping plates. You said it couldn't be done. Told me that it's the kind of battle that just couldn't be won. You know, you're too sick, too hard, too fucked in the head. You'll never make it, no, not in this lifetime. Well, yes again, my friend, don't act surprised. We got the bass drum kick that will blow out your eyes. Cause when you hear this shit, you'll get to step in, gonna fight the war and use my music as a